Friday kind of video. Grubby. 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 Thing for me. Rugby. Rugby. Some good shit. I got that.
I got it.
Awesome.
Fuck you.
I'm not gonna be no damn Scott Ershaw. Oop, got stuck. Ready for number 2?
No.
That was awesome.
See, I didn't eat nothing today since lunchtime. I was like, holy shit, look at all these different... You can probably talk to each other more during... We probably could do it, well, we probably can't do it actually. It closes. Very nice. Man. Being scattered. The bottom feeders are gross.
Yeah.
Peace out, everybody. Here's your look at the water.